Good morning, children. Let's continue with the chapter number 15, and today we will learn about underground water. When it rains, some part of the rainwater seeps into the ground and forms an underground reserve of water called the water table. So, children, here when it rains, some part of the water it goes into the ground and forms an underground reserve of water. It is been stored in the underground and that is called water table. This water remains stored underground and can be reached by digging wells, using hand pumps or electric pumps. Wells are of many kinds. So children, when it rains, some part of the water it goes underground and it reached by digging wells. We can take out the water from underground by digging wells, using hand pumps or electric pumps. There are many kinds of wells also. So we will learn about that. First one, open wells. Now what is open wells? Open wells are usually found in villages. It is found in villages where people use a bully system to take out water. Where the people use a bully system to take out the water. Now what is a bully system? A bully is a simple machine. It is a simple machine with a wheel which is used to run a rope, a cable or a chain. So a bully, it is a simple machine with a wheel which is used to run a rope, a cable or a chain. We use the rope to pull water up in a bucket. So the rope is used to pull the water up in a bucket. Some wells are constructed with steps which go down to the level of the water. In some wells we see the steps which goes down to the level of the water. They are called step wells or bolies. So they are called step wells or bolies. Some of the larger bolies also have separate bathing and swimming areas. So they are having some larger separate bathing and swimming areas. Bolies have been in use for many centuries, used by travelers as well as for daily needs. In cities and towns nowadays, electric pumps are used to pull up water and store it in large tanks. So nowadays in cities or in towns, electric pumps are used to pull the water and it is been stored in a large tanks. From there, water is sent to each home through a network of pipes. So from there, the water is being supplied to the homes. Houses also have water tanks for storing water. So we are having the water tanks where we store the water. Pipes from the tank supply water to the taps in the house, and from that tank pipes are coming inside the water and we get water from the taps. Water supply is essential for life. So water is very essential for life. It is very important for life. We always serve water to visitors and guests in our homes. So when our visitors or guest comes, we serve water. Have you seen a pyao? Public water taps or pyos are constructed by the government and different charitable organizations for providing drinking water to the common people. So children, we are seeing many pyos and it has been built by the government. It is the public water taps. Pyao is called, it is the public water tap or places. It has been constructed by the government and different charitable organizations for providing drinking water to the common people. Villages also have a place where drinking water is served to travelers. Even in the villages also there is a pyao and where the drinking water is served to the travelers. This is especially important in hot and dry places. And this type of pyos, it has been constructed specially in the hot and dry places. Children, we will continue our next topic in our next video. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Goodbye.